The talk with Savannah and Lizzie.
What? I already have armpit hair.
Hey, you want to wax
What?
my eyebrows?
One day you're gonna want to start shaving your legs.
Let's talk about the birds and the bees. Hey,
Savannah came home from school the other day and said that the school nurse had come to their class to talk about hygiene. Hygiene are simple things like taking a shower every day, brushing your teeth, putting on deodorant, wearing clean underwear and socks. Just things that you should do every day to make yourself clean and healthy, and those will take care of a lot of sicknesses. It will take care of stinkiness. I thought since they're talking about that stuff at school right now, it's also a good time to have the talk with Savannah and Lizzie.
What? What talk?
Lizzie isn't quite old enough to be ready for the talk, and Savannah is getting to the point we're not going to have the full detailed talk yet. Neither one of these girls are ready for that, but they're ready for the beginning of the talk. They need to know the changes that their body is going to go through, the grossness of these changes. They also need to be prepared for it because it's a scary thing if you don't know what's happening to you. I think though I want to have Danielle and Allie come and help me with this. I asked the girls to be part of this because they've been through it before, and I feel that they can bring more to the talk than just me talking. We're just talking about how the girls' bodies are gonna start changing. Not so much Lizzie yet, she's not quite ready.
Unless Savannah's the Allie and Lizzie's the me.
That's true. That is actually true because Lizzie and Savannah are closer in age than Allie and Danielle. So it could happen that way. Savannah could be more like Allie and be a late bloomer. And Lizzie could be more like Danielle and be an early bloomer. And then Lizzie could actually start before Savannah ever does.
Let's hope that none of them are late bloomers though, because that was the worst time ever.
So the first thing that's gonna start happening is puberty. Do you know what, Savannah, do you know what puberty means?
No.
Puberty is when your body starts to change and grow and develop. You're gonna have things like armpit hair.
Ew.
Danielle is very uncomfortable about armpit hair.
I already have armpit hair.
Hey, you want to wax
What?
my eyebrows?
What?
I already have a tiny bit of armpit hair.
Ew.
And you never told me this before?
I have told you this before.
I want to see it.
No.
That's this thing.
Okay.
I'm just gonna leave
You don't have to show it to me right now. But when the camera's turned off,
Seriously, what is wrong with you, lady?
hair.
What is wrong with you?
One day, I like how you're covering your armpits. Like,
I know.
like talking about armpit hair is gonna make it grow faster or
No,
something.
you're just like, I want to see it, and I'm like,
One day when you're a mom and you have daughters,
I don't want to see armpit hair. That's disgusting.
let's put it in the vault right now. That Danielle said she is never gonna want to see armpit hair. One day when she's a mom, she's gonna go.
If I want to see armpit hair, I'll look at my own or my husband's, not my kids, and not make them suffer like that.
No, but you don't understand is when you have daughters and they're older and they start having armpit hair, you're gonna be excited about it. You
No,
will.
I'm not.
No,
That's disgusting.
I never thought I'd be excited about armpit hair.
That's disgusting.
You'll also get
I'll just hand him a razor and be like, here.
pubic hair.
Oh, I'm mad at you.
the worst.
I hate pubic hair.
What's pubic?
Nothing. No pubic hair.
Pubic is your lower body.
Don't talk about
And when you get older, you'll start to grow hair there too.
Oh.
It's the worst.
One day, you're gonna want to start shaving your legs. Yeah,
Look at my
Savannah's
leg hair.
starting to get long.
When I was little, I
long
hated
hair.
my...
Holy cow, those are long hairy legs.
When I was little, I hated my leg hair so bad, I opened scissors and shaved my legs with those.
That's gross.
That's how much I hated leg hair.
Apparently, I'm not a good enough mom that these girls want to talk to me about things. Because they're shaving
you
their
said I
leg
wasn't,
hairs with
You said I wasn't allowed
scissors.
to shave till I was 12. So I didn't.
I never said that.
You did.
Did we ever give them an age when they could or could not shave their legs?
This is a very normal thing. This is one of those things where
No, the answer is no, but this is one of those things where kids just feel like they kind of have to hide this. And it's okay, it's normal. They have to hide it and they have to kind of do it on their own, but and to prevent you from cutting your legs and doing things the wrong way, that's why you just go to your mom, she knows how to do it, and have her help. You're your older sister, it's not a big deal.
So the point of this, Savannah and Lizzie, is to help you know that it is okay to talk to your mom.
Just don't show your armpit
Or
hair,
your
it's
dad.
weird.
Or your big sisters. It's okay to talk to people about these things. Everybody has armpit hair. Everybody has leg hair. It's okay to talk about it. And I'm not saying that you have to shave your armpits or you have to shave your legs, because some women don't like to shave their armpits or their legs. And if it's your choice. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. I'm not shaming people because they don't shave their legs and their armpits. I am just trying to teach Savannah and Lizzie that it is okay.
It's gonna look like this instead of
well,
Or your ankles are bald.
Johnny is not a good example because he doesn't have hair in regular places.
That sounded wrong.
That sounds weird.
I have hairy
He
feet.
has hairy face. See that hairy face? And he
My hair
has
is falling off of my head.
his hair is falling off his head, but he has like clean shaven legs without ever shaving.
Yeah, see, look. It's weird.
It is.
It's from all your
He's a
years
freak
of
of nature.
But your hair gets more coarse and it's darker as you get older. When you start going through puberty, you just start like you're a chia pet. Some people are like,
What's puberty?
Okay, there you go. There's your.
Puberty is
Your
like
body
is your
changing.
body changing. Growing up, the older you get, your body is going to change. Like we said, you're going to start growing hair in weird places.
Like my chest?
Which is totally normal. No.
Hopefully not your chest, but you're going to grow hair in weird places. Armpits, legs.
I have armpit hair, I think.
No, you don't. No, don't.
You do have armpit hair. Lizzie has armpit hair.
But it's really light.
You're only like
You
8.
will also,
I am 8.
she is 8. Also in puberty, you're going to do things like grow boobs.
It makes
It's true.
that word.
I gotta go get more bra.
It's true. All women do it.
I hate
Some
that
All
word.
men do it. Or not men
Some
do
are
it.
small, some are
You don't want to talk about boobs anymore?
No,
breasts.
that's my least favorite word.
Why?
I don't know, it just sounds weird.
Those are parts of puberty. It's gonna happen whether you like it or not. Whether you're embarrassed to talk about it, whether you don't like the word, it happens. It's gonna happen.
Why are they giggling? We're like,
I know. Lizzie and Allie are like all embarrassed giggles. Lizzie is so
we're
awkward
not
and embarrassed right now. She's
I'm not embarrassed because this is what me and my friends talk about all the time. Yeah, me and my friends talk about like this all the time, but for them, I'm like, oh no.
Another part of puberty is you're growing up and you're becoming a woman. And part of your role as a woman is having babies. In order to have babies, you have to have a period.
That's a different subject, right?
Yeah, we're not going into depth in that. I just want to tell you, Lizzie's not gonna understand yet about periods, but Savannah's body's gonna change. You've heard us talk about periods a lot, right? You've heard us talk about cramps, all of those things. One day, you will have a period. And one day when you go to the bathroom, you will have blood in the toilet when you go to the bathroom. Having blood in the toilet, you're not dying. It's okay to talk about.
This is interesting watching the different levels. This is interesting for me. Notice, like, I'm here. This is entertaining for me.
Why?
Because there's different levels of, like, all of a sudden, like, we talk about this stuff all the time, but you hear, like, breasts, and all of a sudden it's like, why'd I do this? I am a pervert. I am a pervert, but only with one person. Only with one woman. That's important. Like, when you say that, Lizzie, like, goes, and Allie's just like, Danielle's just like, crap, I need more bras.
And Savannah's like, I hate that word.
It was like,
Let's talk about the birds and the bees.
We're not talking about birds.
we're not going there yet.
It's not time for birds and bees with you guys.
How about the flower nose?
What?
How about the flower nose? The flower and nose.
The flower and the hose? Who did this? This is not good. Okay, I took the camera away.
We're not having those conversations yet.
Okay. This is not the birds and the bees talk. No flower and hoses either. Here, take this. Finish up your video, yo.
The reason we're talking about this is so that you guys, when you see these changes happening, you'll know that you can come and talk to me. You can come and talk to Daddy. You can come and talk to Allie. You can come and talk to Danielle. Anybody, you don't need to be scared to talk about these things. These are things that will happen no matter what, and you don't need to hide them. You don't need to be ashamed of them. You can talk to your friends. You could talk to anybody. You should not be afraid to talk to anybody about these things. Everybody goes through these changes. And don't be scared. Don't hide it. We want you to know that you are important to us, that we love you so much.
Also, one more thing.
Oh.
Puberty is not all disgusting things. Like, you will grow taller. No, you will grow taller and your voice will either go, will go lower, or for some people go higher, and you will get like acne all over your face or whatever.
Acne.
And yes.
Beauty mist all over your face.
Yeah, acne, beauty mist all over your face, sure.
Okay.
And that's okay, that's totally normal, that's part of puberty. It'll go away.
Everybody changes differently, and
Your voice
no one is better than anybody else. It's all great. I think everybody here is getting way too silly. Don't be afraid to talk with people about these things. Don't be afraid to ask your mom and dad about them. They are here to help you. Your parents love you, and even if you think they're crazy and old, they're here to help you. Do you have any other questions about puberty or hygiene?
The grass and the water.
Savannah, do you have any other questions about puberty or hygiene?
Can we stop talking about this now?
Yes.
Okay, then I don't have any more questions.
All right, guys, we love you so much, and always, always remember that you are worth it. Bye, guys.